What's up guys, it's Shaggy here. Today I'm gonna talk about 5 most common uncommon things Dutch people ask Curaçaoan people like me. So if you wanna have a laugh and a blast, relax cause we're gonna get right into it. The first question that I want to talk about is the most common uncommon that I've always gotten, and it's like on the top one list. That is it normal for you guys to cheat on your girls in your culture? Of course it's not normal for people to cheat on another in any other culture. It's not normal in the Netherlands. It's not normal on Curacao. It's not normal in any other country I've been to so far. And I have some Dutch friends and I've seen these people cheat on their girlfriends by just drinking one beer. One of the questions I've gotten this year was, is it normal in your culture for when you're upset or mad that you start throwing with things? Have you ever heard of the chanfle? If you haven't, the chanfle is a legendary slipper that every mother in our culture have. And what they do is, if you're standing a few kilometers away and they are mad at you because you stole something or you did something you weren't supposed to do, they throw this magical slipper called the chanfle, and this one hits you right in the head. It always gets you in the head, and when it hits you in the head, it's gonna fall right in front of your toes. And what you gotta do is you gotta pick it up and you gotta bring it to your mother, and afterwards you're gonna get a few beat up. So it is pretty normal for parents to throw things when they're really mad at you, but I gotta say that it's not normal for when you're in a love relationship that you start throwing things at each other because you are upset. Another question I get a lot is, why are you guys always so late? That's the mentality of Curacao. I'm 100% sure that's the mentality of Curacao. If you don't get it done today, you'll get it done tomorrow. So chillax, go drink a beer, celebrate something that you don't need to celebrate, and be late again for your next appointment. Not all until you people are so late. I'm never late. Still, I gotta say that if you ever have a situation where it's life or death, do not dare call me, because if you dare call me, I'm going to be 2 hours late for your funeral. Another question I get a lot also is, why or how can Antillean people be so energetic, so vibrant, and so full of life? And why are you guys so loud in God's name? We are used to live in houses with their own yard. When you play your music, when you blast your music, or when you shout, when you greet someone, nobody cares because you have your own space where your sound won't really reach the other one. And if your sound does reach your neighbor, they don't care because it's part of life. But here in the Netherlands, we live like in these boxes very close to each other, and even when you fart, your neighbor is gonna know. When I came to the Netherlands, I had to tune down my loudness a bit because you guys are dry like crackers. Alright, and the last question, which is one of the dumbest questions, is that people just come to me when I'm sitting in a park or doing something random and they ask me if I have a lighter. Guys, unless you don't see me smoking or using any type of drugs, don't come and ask me if I have something to facilitate the usage of that drug. I've had people ask me if I had speed. I'm a nerd and a geek. I sit the whole day in front of a computer, and once I'm out sitting out there, I just want some fresh air before I start working again. Alright guys, this is all I have for this video. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up or drop a comment in the comment section below this video, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Alright, my apologies for not posting in the last 3 weeks. I was really ill. I've been overworking and I get sick very easily, so my bad for that. Thanks for watching, and as always I say, give me a 2 and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, Shaggy out.